In this video, I will show you how to edit caption on CapCut. So let me show you step by step. First step, after you open the CapCut like this, now here is my caption. If I want to edit this caption, so the first thing I could do, I'll go and highlight all the caption. After you select all the caption like this, so the first thing you go to this option caption. So I'll show you now 3 methods on how to do that. So after you go to caption, let's say now you want to change some word that has been like written wrongly on your caption. So the first thing to do after you select all the caption, you go to this option, find and replace, and then now click on this. Now in this option, now you type in the wrong word. So let's say there is a word that has been like written in the caption a wrong way. So now you type in the wrong word that you find out, and then in this option now you type in the original word that you want to add. After you finish that, you click on this replace all button. So from there it will go through all your caption text and replace the wrong word with the new one that you gave it. So that's the first method. So the second method, you go to text, go to template. Now if you want to change the template, though, you go scroll to down and select the template you want to use for your caption. So let's say you want to use like this one or any one among this template. You just select one of them. After you select one of them, just give it some minutes or some seconds. So from there the template will be applied like this one on your caption. Now if I play the caption, as you can see now, here is how it will looks. So the next thing to edit, you go to edit effects. After you go to effect, so these are different caption effect for your caption if you want to edit them. So the next thing, you go to animation. If you want to add some animation to your caption, you go to in, out, or you go to loop. So you select one of them and try. And the next thing now, if you go back to this text, after you go to the back to text, so go to basic. So from this basic, now let's say you want to change the font style. So let's say you don't want just to get this, you have your own specific font that you want to use for your caption. So the first thing to do, let's change this template to something that is visible. I'll select this one. Let's select this one. After I selected this one, I'll allow it now to finish loading. So now it has been applied. So the next thing, I'll go to basic. After you go to basic, now if you want to change the font style, you select all the caption and then you go to text basic and then you go to this text, that's font. So if you click on this option, now it will give you different fonts. So you can go and choose the one that you want to use for your video. So the next thing now, if you now select all the text like this and then you go to this text basic, you can just increase even the size of the text like this one. So as you can see now, you can increase the size and you can reduce. If you scroll to down, if you want, you can just make the size bold, underline, italic, capital letters, small letters, and word style. And then you can just scroll to down. If you want, you can change even the color. So under this basic, there are different effects or there are different tools for you to change the or to edit your caption. So you go all through them and choose the one that you want to use. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.